Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a video on Pfizer on my subscribers request, and so let's start with this support and resistance levels. I'm going to mark the resistance first, which I can see. This point is acting as a good resistance. It has taken resistance over here, like once, twice, thrice, four times, five times, five, seven times actually. So it had broken out of the resistance. Then again, it was a fake breakout, and it fell back, and it went below this line. So this is a very big resistance for Pfizer, and it is at the resistance. So there's no point buying Pfizer right now. Only if it crosses 37 and sustains for at least 2 days. That's the time you should think of buying Pfizer, and keep a stop loss of 34. So that's my initial assessment. Now let's see if we can mark some support levels. It has taken support at this point. This was not the support. This was one support. This was another support. Twice it has taken support over here in this area, once in this area. Then again it has taken support over here once. There was a consolidation zone over here. This was the time it had taken support over here and bounced back from here. So we have marked these lines. This zone looks pretty interesting. It has taken support over here quite a few times, twice over here, then again once taken support over here. So I'm just trying to make you guys learn simple ways of assessing stocks so that you can do it on your own in your free time if you want to do it on your own, because it's very important to be independent in trading and investing. That's what I figured with my experience. Now let's go to the weekly chart. This was the daily chart which we were seeing right now. Okay, so so it has gone higher above the 37 level and the 40 level also. So we have to mark the resistance again. Okay, this was the high from which it had come back. Okay, so we'll mark this as the resistance as well. Okay, this was the resistance 42, and that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, so yeah, now we can go to the this is one more point I'm not going to say, but we should be prepared for the fall if it falls, whatever happens. Some confusing news comes about the vaccine and it might fall to 28. So that will be an awesome buying opportunity. Why am I saying that? Because it's in a constant uptrend, it keeps going up. And right now, like even the recent weeks, it is making higher lows. This is a low. It has made a higher low over here, then again a higher low over here. Okay, so it's going up. So, but we have to mark the support and resistance levels. Now let's go to the monthly chart, see what's going on. I think we have marked most of the levels required. Yeah, I don't think so. Anything is left. Just mark few more, just to complete the things. I'd like to mark everything actually. So I keep doing that. That doesn't mean it will go down to that level, but if in the market we don't know, and we should be prepared for everything which comes our way. So now let's go back to our favorite Fibonacci retracement. We'll take a low point over here. The reason I'm not taking this point in March, because it was too far off. I'll take a relatively recent low, which will be in June. Okay, so I'll mark this point as the low point. I'll take Fibonacci retracement to the highest point which it had gone earlier. and I'll just push it a little forward. Actually, I'm marking this point, okay? I don't want anyone to be confused. I'm marking this point, but I'm extending it just to see the present situation. So I've closed it. Okay. So now it had gone up and it has retraced from the top almost 50%. Okay, zero point 0.5 means 50% on Fibonacci. So 34 is a very good level to buy Pfizer, and 33 will be another good level to buy Pfizer. That's what the chart tells us. But at the moment, I don't recommend buying Pfizer because it is at the resistance. Okay, if it breaks it with huge volumes and then it's worth thinking about buying Pfizer. Now let's see what the moving averages are doing and how it is taking support at different moving averages. See the pink line, the pink moving average is the 8-day moving average, purple is 13-day moving average, blue is 20-day moving average, and the orange line is the 50-day moving average, and the black line is 100-day moving average, and the red line is 200-day moving average. Okay, so just to brief things up, now it is slightly away from the moving average, and it is sitting at the resistance, so there's no point buying. We should start buying Pfizer near 34, and we should patiently wait for it, to come at these levels, and then we should think of buying it. If it sustains above this point of 37 for a few days and consolidates over there and doesn't come down, takes support over there, there's huge volume, then we can think of buying at least 25% of our limit which we have for buying Pfizer, not before that. But I prefer to wait for things to come my way and then I jump on them. Not, it's extremely important to be patient in the stock market, otherwise things can go terribly wrong. So that's what my thinking about Pfizer is. As far as the company goes, it's an awesome company, and I really like the company, the way they do research and everything. So I don't think so. It's a bad stock. I think it's an awesome stock doing awesome work for the mankind. And but right now it's standing at the resistance level. I'm not saying there's any resistance in the vaccine to come out. There it's 90%, 95% efficacy it has shown according to the news. But for buying it, we have to wait for a few days before we buy it. For extremely long-term investors who don't give a damn about anything, they can go ahead and buy it. But I personally, like, I like to wait for it to come down to 34, 33 levels. Those will be the best levels to buy. And that's probably it about Pfizer. If you like my analysis, please share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, like this video. And if you have any other request, you can just place a comment in the comment section that I have liked this video and I have subscribed to your channel. Once you subscribe to my channel, you can just say that I want to request you to make a video on analysis of such and such stock or so and so stock, and I'll make a video specifically on that. And thank you so much again for coming to my channel, and have a wonderful day.